Hello everybody. Today's video is gonna be very special. Special? Hello everybody. Today's video is gonna be epic. Extremely epic. Because I'm gonna share my international hair secrets with you guys. So it's special, of course. How I take care of my hair during monsoons. So there's less hair fall. There is hair fall, but probably less. And they look moisturized and nourished. So without wasting any time, let's start it. Where do I have to look? Okay, bye. So I'll start by combing my dry hair. I prefer it doing this way once a week just before I'm going for a shower. A lot of people also pre-poo or apply oil in their hair while doing this, but I prefer it doing just like that as is. And I start from my tips and then go towards my roots for less breakage. And now we will apply my monsoon special ingredient which helps me in curbing my hair fall, or I hope it's helping me right now. I apply onion juice. A lot of people are also making onion oil, which is super easy. You can Google it. But somehow my hair and oil, any kind of oil in the world, have Chhattis Kankra or some problem. I don't know how, but oil does not suit my hair at all. So onion juice works for me totally amazingly fine. And there's no hair fall also after applying it. And I also put my onion juice in this bottle, this kind of bottle, which is easier to apply and I don't have to take my mom's help, which is even better. Atman-nirbhar, yeah. So as you can see, I part my hair in a gap of 1/2 inch and start from in between and then go to my right side first and then left side, covering all of my scalp and giving a little massage also side by side. It's super easy to apply, especially with the nozzle bottle. And for my length of hair, I just take juice of one onion. It's super easy. We first grate the onion, then put it in muslin cloth, then squeeze the juice out of it and just put it in this bottle and apply. Super easy to make. Every alternate week, I also use fermented rice water for my hair. If you want to see a video, let me know in the comments. After I've successfully covered every strand of my hair with onion juice, I apply deep conditioner. Oh my god, Mehak, are you crazy? Are you applying deep conditioner over your dirty hair? Oh yes, because I already have to sit with my hair for 25 minutes. Onion juice, why not apply deep conditioner over my ends and give extra nourishment? Oh yes, my hair keeps on breaking. It is okay, breakage is normal. Don't glorify it, but tell people that breakage is normal. Over breakage is not normal, but little breakage is normal. So I apply it only to my ends and then make sure each and every strand of my hair is covered beautifully in deep conditioner. So right now I'm making sure all my strands are covered. Oh yes. I don't know how I started doing this, but I do it all the time now, especially when I'm applying conditioner or deep conditioner, that all my strands are covered in the beautiful goodness and moisture of deep conditioner. As you can see, I'm taking more conditioner as I go behind the hair because that part I don't understand why it's all curled up. So yes, after we are done, I will be using what you will see as a plastic shower cap, which you'll see, Are, why are you using it? I used to go to trips, I used to go to hotels, I used to get these caps and I use them like I've been using this since March. So I reuse my plastic shower caps, which I have. And this amazing product is a temp cap. You need to have this. I'll put the link in the description box. You heat it in microwave for 90 seconds and then you have hair spa at home. By that time, I am also dry brushing my hair, so not wasting time, and then I'll shampoo and conditioner my hair as normal. Now we are done and I am outside the bathroom with the tub in my room because I have to shoot a video. So make sure my hair is wet. Oh yes, because I need to style my hair in dripping wet hair. I think we all need to. I'm applying deep conditioner. I'll be putting all the links and all the products in the description box because you cannot see it from this far away, although I'm showing the products, but it's difficult. Again, I'm making sure that each and every strand of my hair is covered. Thank God I fast forward the video. You would have gotten bored. Even I would have. So again, I'm applying deep conditioner on the next half of my hair. Beautiful. Yes, I like it. I'm watching myself styling for the first time on the big screen. Wow. Nice. Good job. Oh, here I keep showing my broken hair. What is this? Broken hair? And then I'm scrunching, 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 scrunching. I'll keep the sound open so you can hear this beautiful, blissful voice. I love the scrunching sound. Now I realize that I need to wear this amazing thing. Oh my god, you will love this product. I'll also link this. It was ideally for like you can protect your face while doing makeup, but I always use it while styling. Then I'm using this product called I Create Volume. I'll also link it in the description. It really provides volume to my hair and also some added shine. So after I apply my leave-in, I always or mostly apply this. It's a little runny and you don't need much. And I'm also using a bowl with this, like a bowl method. And now mousse. Oh my god, for 2C 3A wavy curlies, mousse is godsend. It's super light, it does not weigh your hair down, and they look so light, if that's the word. Like, it does not weigh your hair down at all, and I love mousse. But after that, I always apply a gel also. A lot of people don't apply gel after that, but I think especially in monsoons, my hair needs gel if it wants to behave. So yes, I'm using this amazing gel, Elo Coco gel. I don't know if it's CG approved, from Thailand. I went there once and got it, and then after that, any of my friend who used to visit, I used to like beg them, plead them that get it for me. It's really hardwood gel and it's really nice. I wish I can find the link online, so I'll link it for you. I'm applying a little more of it, and yeah. And can you see how I'm protecting my t-shirt? And how my hair is also getting protected, and there will be no frizz because I'll keep on wearing it. And I also use a bowl method a lot of times, 90% of the times, to stop wasting water and keep using the same water which has all my conditioner and gel in it. So yes, a lot of scrunching is also done. I keep on adding water from the bowl and scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. And I realized I need one more gel. I don't know why I realized it at the end, but my hair asked for it. You have to listen to your hair. Wow, I'm a hair doctor now. But you need to listen to your hair like you need to listen to your body. And my hair was asking for one more gel, so I'm giving it one more gel. I'm a good person. You know, keep loving your body and your hair. So yes, I added this light gel. I think it's one of my favorite light gels. It again does not weigh your hair down. It has a strong hold, but not very strong hold. But it's good. Like anything, any product which is not weighing my hair down is great for me. Especially when I have 2C 3A, a mix of waves and curls. And then I put this turban, which is absolute favorite. And these are the products I use every single week, monsoon or no monsoon. And I put it for 15 minutes and so now it's been 15 minutes. I've also done my skincare. Now I'll try. Diffuser का है. To all the boys I've loved before. To all the people who say कि यार curly hair routine is very time consuming. मैं तो नहीं कर सकती. मैं तो सिर्फ शैम्पू लगा के बाहर जाती हूँ. कंडीशनर भी नहीं लगाती कभी कभी तो. You wash your hair thrice or 4 times in a week. We wash our hair once in 7 days. And we don't have to style it every day because they look stylish the whole week, is my argument. For people who say कि यार मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. यार हफ्ते में 1 घंटा. So 24/7. Oh my god, my math skills. Shakuntala Devi is slapping me very hard right now. 1 hour in a week is more than enough, and that's all you need to do. And wow, what a wow baal lagte hain pure hafte. So I guess you can take that amount of time in your schedule, I guess, right? And you don't have to, like, I don't even refresh my hair 90% of the times, and they look fine. Like till 3rd day, or sometimes I extend it to the 4th day, they look fab. Uske baad I make some hairstyle or something, they look fab because the ends are still curls. The top part won't be near the roots and it looks fab, so no complaints. 1 hour in a week and I get to look wow. I'm fine with it. I don't even know where to look right now. So yeah, now I'll diffuse my hair. Do you want to show, like, do you want to have a look how I do it? I'll show it to you. After keeping my hair in the turban for 15 minutes, I start with the diffuser and I start near the nape of my neck, which is always wet. I don't remember on whose Instagram I saw this, that try diffusing on max cold. Like I always do cold, but less speed. But somebody recommended that do cold and maximum speed. A lot of people do cold and then hot and then cold, alternate between the two, but I prefer only cold. So I do aajkal cold and max speed. सेहरा सजा के रखना, चेहरा छुपा के रखना. I'm okay with air drying my hair, but especially during monsoons, I've realized if I air dry my hair, oh, I'm like a frizz ball in 2 hours because of the moisture in the hair. So I make sure I use the diffuser. And while diffuser, I make sure I also sit in the AC, and I then root clip my hair after they are dry for volume and for making the hair stay away from my face. And I'll also keep wearing this so I don't get frizz. After my hair is 100% dry, 100%, I'll carefully remove all the clips. Careful. I'm not sure if I'm careful, but I try to be careful. So I'm removing it, and then I'll use the holy grail, righteous root oil, 2 drops of it only, and then I'll scrunch out the crunch. I prefer doing it like the next day because I usually wash my hair around night and then I sleep over the cast and then it's broken in the day, like when I get up. But for this video, and especially if I have to go out, there's no rule that I have to wash it only night. I scrunch out the cast with my hands after my hair is 100% dry, and then fluff the roots with this amazing product, which I'll also link in the description box. And you can also use your fingertips or hands. It's totally fine. And this is the result. You can see the frizz and you can also see the curls. La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay, I should stop. So these are the results. And I love it. There is frizz which you cannot escape from, especially in this weather, but I like it. I like how it looks. They look moisturized, nourished, and that's the look I'm going for. They look so fresh, like they look so fresh. There is always frizz. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's always frizz. It's still raining. A little bit less now. And you really can't do too much when it's raining all the time. It's monsoons, but I try to do the best I can. So these are the results. Okay, I should stop. And the most important step you have to do while watching Netflix, scalp massaging your hair. You can use your bare hand, your fingertips, or a scalp massager. Keep doing it. You don't need any oil, nothing. Just watch Netflix and keep doing this. It will result in good blood circulation, which can result in good hair growth. And all of us who are facing this tremendous hair fall can help from it. And it's done. Thanks for watching.